First step will be to check that the brake pad is running centered and parallel to the rim. Next step will be to loosen the pinch bolt to adjust the brake cable. Now we'll adjust the brake cable and tighten the pinch bolt, ensuring that the brake pads are 2 to 3 mil from the rim. If your brakes are leaning to one side and it's difficult to get an even clearance on both sides of the rim, then you need to adjust the screw on the side of each arm until even. Tightening the screw will pull the arm in. Now both brake arms should move in evenly.